So today I'm weighing the eggplants. Some coriander and a chili. I will add it because it is negligible. If I weigh the coriander and the chili alone, 0.351. They're just bulky but not heavy. Roast them over open fire. Keep turning. So we want the smoky flavor. Good enough. They're ready. So after roasting the eggplant like this, now we are going to make it into small pieces. It is ready. So you cut it like that. You remove the top. For this, with the skin, use a spoon to get the flesh out. Salt your onions to bring out the sweetness, and add some garlic. Nice and golden. Add the roasted eggplant and our chili. Let it fry. Yum. Add your pre-boiled chickpeas, pre-boiled and salted, looking nice. Add your tomatoes mixed with the coriander and keep it covered to enjoy the nice aroma. Everything is well cooked. You can add a little water if you wish, or you can enjoy it dry. ready. Turn off the fire and keep it covered. Wow. So have it with some little rice. Enjoy. The salt is perfect. The chili is very light and it has a smoky flavor from the roasted eggplants. Roasted eggplant and chickpea recipe. Subscribe for more fresh recipes.